Hello to you all. How do you do today? My name is Gabriel, and I'll be running you through a quick um, QA session on the ISTQB syllabus section fundamentals of testing, just to give you an idea of what to expect in the exam. So this tutorial or short video will be good for those that plan to take their test and or those that are considering uh, working in this wonderful industry. I hope uh, you learn some things from this video. So can we start by first of all trying to understand what the fundamentals of testing is all about. It's basically just a quick overview of what testing is, how testing supports the development life cycle, the testing process, and its impact on maintaining the quality characteristics or quality aspects of a product. Okay, as you know, each product or every product are prone to having defects and issues, and it's very important that we have an effective QA process. Okay, now just to run a quick through the questions. The very first question is an example of what we would call a L1 or K1 learning objective from the ISTQB. Now, so the very first question basically states, Dash is a way to assess the quality of the software and to reduce the risk of software failure in operation. Now, do you have an idea of what that means? Can you fill in the blank in this question? Do you have any idea? Do you want to try? Okay, I'll give you the answer. So the answer is testing. Software testing is a way to assess the quality of the software and to reduce the risk of software failure operation. So basically, any activities carried out to evaluate the quality of a software program is known as software testing. Okay, now to the second question. A mistake made by a developer is known as a dash. Any ideas on that? Okay, it's actually an error. Okay, so there are three types of mistakes in the software testing lifecycle and software development lifecycle. So firstly, there's a mistake, so which is a mistake that has been introduced to the requirements. So an example of this is if a requirement has been mistranslated, that can become a design issue, and then that can later on become a defect in testing. Okay, the second type of error or mistake is known as an error. So error is an example of this where a developer had made a mistake in their program, and then thirdly is a defect. So defect are the problems we find in testing. Okay, so the answer for this question is error. Now the third question, which of the following roles is more likely to have a build and design mindset and have difficulty finding issues with their work? So basically this question is trying to scope you a little bit and trying to find out, trying to trick you into selecting which of these roles would have this characteristics or mindset. Okay, so the options are business analyst, developer, tester, support analyst. So which of these roles do you think are likely to have these traits, a design mindset and a build mindset? Okay, let's give you a few seconds. Do you want to try? Do you have an idea? Good. All right. Now, the answer is a developer. And why is that? It's not that we're saying developers are not very good at their job. However, you have to understand that the person who creates something might not necessarily be the best person to test it. Okay, so if they might overlook some issues, or they might not have that fresh eyes that will help them detect any issues to do with what they've created. So that's why the answer is a developer. All right, thank you so much. I hope you've learned some things from my very short video. I'll be sharing more of these in the next few videos. So we're going to touch on the other sections in the ISTQB, and we will have a similar layout where I'll be testing us on a few questions to prepare us for the ISTQB, prepare you for the ISTQB. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you'd also like to find out more or get some more information, firstly, I'd appreciate if you leave a comment or like and share the video, and then secondly, if you like to get more of these type of questions, I'll share the link below of where you can purchase the material. Okay, all right, thank you, bye bye.